Welcome back to Bike Update. Today we're diving into the 2026 Honda XR200R, a legendary off-road name reborn with modern engineering for riders who love pure trail performance and bulletproof reliability. What's new for 2026? The 2026 XR200R keeps its classic lightweight trail DNA but adds smarter fuel management, improved cooling, and updated suspension tuning. Honda has focused on making the bike smoother, more responsive, and easier to ride on long trail sessions while keeping the tough XR personality alive. Engine and performance. The XR200R is powered by a refined 200 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine designed for strong low-end torque and dependable trail power. It delivers quick throttle response, clean acceleration, and excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for off-road riding, training, and weekend adventures. Chassis and handling. Honda's lightweight frame combined with long-travel suspension gives the 2026 XR200R impressive stability and control on rough terrain. Whether you're climbing rocky trails or riding through dirt tracks, the bike stays balanced, agile, and easy to manage. Design and build quality. The XR200R features a clean, aggressive off-road look with updated graphics and a slim body profile. Honda's legendary build quality means the bike is designed to handle tough riding conditions while staying reliable for years. Who is this bike for? The 2026 Honda XR200R is perfect for beginners, trail riders, and anyone who wants a simple, powerful, and dependable off-road motorcycle. It's easy to ride, low maintenance, and built for adventure. Final thoughts. With its strong engine, lightweight feel, and trusted Honda engineering, the 2026 XR200R continues to be a top choice in the trail bike world. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more latest bike news, reviews, and upcoming motorcycle launches.